channel Knowledge Hub and subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your reasoning class, and this has been your grouping of identical figures here. This has been class is your 214th class, where we had completed your 213th class before, where we had completed your verbal reasoning, there we had completed general mental ability and the logic reasoning, and we had started with your non-verbal reasoning here. In verbal reasoning, that is general mental ability, we had completed analogy, classification, series completion, coding and decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking and time sequence test, mathematical operations, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, verification of the truth of the statement as well. In logic reasoning, we had covered up your logic, statement argument, statement assumption, statement course of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detection, question statement, mysterious logical puzzle. In non-verbal reasoning, we have to cover up the series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detections as well. Then after that we have to start discussing about the grouping of identical figures here, that has been the non-verbal reasoning here as well. So on the same cases, for grouping of identical figures here, in the grouping of identical figures here, in this type of a question, you are given a set of usually 6, 7 or 9 figures which are numbered, that the candidate is required to analyze these figures and classify them into a grouping consisting of figures having more or less the same property. So before starting with this, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. We'll go ahead for the first here that we have. This has been numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In this same case, this has been asked in assistant grade question paper here, that is also an important one, and the options for the same is 1, 5, 1, 5, 9, 2, 7, 8 and 3, 4, 6 here. And then after that we talk about the second option, 1, 5, 6, 4, 7, 8, 2, 3, 9. C option is 2, 4, 9, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3, 5. D option is 3, 7, 8, 4, 5, 9 and 1, 2, 6 here. So in the same when we have an options here, clearly a 1, a 3, 5 that are composed of two dissimilar figures that intersecting each other, and we have 2, 4, 9 that are composed of two similar figures intersecting each other, and 6, 7, 8 that contain one figures enclosed inside the other. So thus the given 9 figures may be divided into 3 pairs, which is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 9 and 6, 7, 8. So on the same behalf of it, what they have paired, and that will be having as in the form of option C. So we'll get the answer that has been the option C will be the right answer. And the following figure we have, options we have is your 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 9 and 6, 7, that is your 8. We'll talk about it another one. In each of the following questions, group the given figures into the 3 classes using the each figures only once here, and that being here is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Options A is your 1, 4, 2, 3, 5, 6. B is 1, 5, 2, 6 and 4, 3. C is 1, 6, 2, 3 and 4, 5, and D is 1, 2, 3, 6 and 4, 4. This has been asked in UDC examination paper, that is also an important one here. So on the same cases we have to find out for the same, and that even though we have to go ahead as well. So here for the same, that is 1, 4, 2, 3 and 5, 6 are the pairs of identical figures. They just represented here in this only. 1, 4, 2, 3 and 5, 6 here, that are the pairs of identical figures, and that will be the right answer for this question as well. We'll go ahead with another one, that has been the third question of the session. This has been numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has been asked in central exercise examination paper. which is also an important one here. On the same cases, the options we have 1 comma 3 comma 9, 2 comma 5 comma 8, 4 comma 6 comma 7. B option is 4 comma 8, 4 comma 8 comma 9, 1 comma 2 comma 5, and 3 comma 6 comma 7. C option is 2 comma 5 comma 9, 1 comma 3 comma 8, 2 comma 6 comma 7. The D option is 1 comma 8 comma 9, 4 comma 6 comma 7, and 2 comma 3 comma 5. Now we'll go ahead for the same, and that we'll have to find out for the options and that what they had given you here. On the same cases, for respective these particular questions here, that 1 comma 8 comma 9 are the figure bisected by a straight line, 4 comma 6 comma 7 are the figures having an extended arms, and 2 comma 3 comma 5 that are figures intersected by a line as well. So here we go ahead, that is will be having as your 1 comma 8 comma 9, 4 comma 6 comma 7, and 2 comma 3 comma 5 here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, which is your fourth question of the sessions as well. This is being named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This has been asked here in assistant grade question paper as well. That has been also an important one. The options we have 1 comma 5 comma 7, 2 comma 4 comma 6, 3 comma 9 comma 8, 1 comma 5 comma 7, 2 comma 4 comma 8, 3 comma 6 comma 9, 1 comma 5 comma 7, 4 comma 9 comma 8, 2 comma 3 comma 6, 1 comma 5 comma 7, 3 comma 8 comma 9, and 2 comma 4 comma 7 6 here. 8 that we have here. So that has been asked in assistant grade question paper. So for the same we have to find out here, where 1 comma 5 comma 7 are composed of two similar figures, one inside the another. 2 comma 4 comma 8 contain the figure that is placed inside the different figures, and 3 comma 6 comma 9 are the figures with the thick boundaries, that even though we have to talk about it, and even though which is important here. So we'll go ahead for the same, that what we have to find out. So it will be your 1 comma 5 comma 7, and then we have your 2 comma 4 comma 8, sorry 1 comma 5 comma 7, 2 comma 4 comma 8, and then we have your 3 comma 6 comma 9 that will be having as an answer here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, which is your the fifth question of the sessions as well. This is being named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This has been asked in your central exercise examination paper. That is also an important paper respective of competition wise here. Options we have 1 comma 3 comma 5, 2 comma 6 comma 9, 4 comma 7 comma 8. B option is 2 comma 3 comma 4, 5 comma 6 comma 8, 9 comma 1 comma 7. C option is 1 comma 3 comma 5, 2 comma 6 comma 8, 4 comma 7 comma 8 9. D option is 3 comma 2 comma 4, 6 comma 5 comma 8, 7 comma 9 comma 1 as well. This is really important. So we'll go ahead for the same, and that is here for the same, that is 1 comma 3 comma have a partially or a completely curved boundaries. So we'll write it down 1 comma 3 comma 5, and that is 2 comma 6 comma 8 are triangles, 2 comma 6 comma 8 are triangles, and 4 comma 7 comma 8 contain similar figures attached to each other here, so that we have as an answer. Now we'll go ahead another one, and that has been another is the sixth question of the sessions as well, that even though we have to talk about it, and even though which is also an important one here, and that is we have to talk about it, and we'll go ahead as well. And on the same cases here we go ahead as follows: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This has been asked in UDC examination paper. So the options for the same is 1 comma 3 comma 9, 2 comma 5 comma 6, 4 comma 7 comma 8. The option is 1 comma 3 comma 9, 2 comma 7 comma 8, 4 comma 5 comma 6. The option is 1 comma 2 comma 4, 3 comma 5 comma 7, 6 comma 8 comma 9. The option is 1 comma 3 comma 6, 2 comma 4 comma 8, 5 comma 7 comma 9 here. This is your UDC examination paper, and that is we have to talk about it, and that is we have to find out here will be at answers as well. 1 comma 3 comma 9, that contain one figure inside the different figures. Then 2 comma 5 comma 6 that are divided into 4 parts by mutually perpendicular lines. Then 4 comma 7 comma 8 here that contains similar figures attached to each other here that we'll have as an answer. We'll go ahead with another one that we have to talk about it, that has been the 7th question of the sessions as well, and that we have to talk about it here, which has been figure 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This has been asking your income tax and central exercise examination paper that we have to talk about it, and that has been the options here for the same as your 1 comma 5 comma 8 3 comma 4 comma 7 2 comma 6 comma 9 1 comma 3 comma 6 4 comma 5 comma 9 2 comma 7 comma 9 8 and 1 comma 3 comma 6 2 comma 5 comma 7 4 comma 8 comma 9 6 comma 7 comma 8 1 comma 3 comma 7 2 comma 4 comma 9 as well that we have, and even though which we have to talk about it as well. So we'll go ahead. For that we'll be having is 1 comma 3 comma 9 that is 1 comma 3 comma 6. Then we have your 2 comma 5 comma 7. So 1 comma 3 comma 6 contains one complete circle each, and 1 2 comma 5 comma 7 contains the semicircles each, and 4 comma 8 comma 9 that contain triangles each here. We'll go ahead with another one that has been the 8th question of the sessions as well. That is also an important one. We'll go ahead. This has been named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here. This has been asked in a sustained grade question paper, that is also an important paper in terms of competition wise. The options we have 1 comma 2 comma 6 3 comma 4 comma 7 and comma 5. Another B option is 1 comma 3 2 comma 6 4 comma 5 comma 7. C option is 1 comma 2 6 comma 7 comma 3 and then 4 comma 5. The D option is 1 comma 3 2 comma 4 5 and 6 comma 7 as well. So we'll go ahead for the finding out the answers here, which is 1 comma 3 contains the V-shaped figures inside another figure. The another is 2 comma 4 comma 5 that contain one figure placed inside a similar figures, and 6 comma 7 we have that are divided into 4 equal parts by mutually perpendicular lines here. We'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about it, and that has been 9th question of the sessions as well. That has been also an important one. We'll go ahead with another question that we have to talk about the 9th questions here, that is being named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This has been asking UTC examination paper. That is also an important paper respect towards competition wise. The options for this we have 1 comma 3 comma 9 2 comma 5 comma 6 4 comma 7 comma 8. B option is 1 comma 3 comma 9 2 comma 7 comma 8 4 comma 7 5 comma 6. C option is 1 comma 2 comma 4 3 comma 5 comma 7 6 comma 8 comma 9. D option is 1 comma 3 comma 6 2 comma 4 comma 8 5 comma 7 comma 9 here that we have to talk about it. Now we will be going ahead to find out the answer for the same, and that has been also important one, and as I told you, this has been asked in your UTC examination paper. And on the same behalf of it, the options according to the options here, that is the 1 comma 4 1. We'll go ahead for the same, and that has been 1 comma 4 comma 8 that contains similar figures both divided into 4 parts and attached to each other here. and 2 comma 4 5 comma 6 that contain three figures, two of which are similar and placed one inside the other. The third we have is 3 comma 7 comma 9 that contain one figure inside the other, which may or may not be similar here. Now we'll go ahead with another one, and that will be asked here is your the 10th question has been 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This has been asked in assistant grade question paper here, and on the same cases we have an options for the same, and that's what we have to talk about it. The options is 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 comma 5 comma 8 6 comma 7 comma 9, 1 comma 5 comma 6 2 comma 3 comma 4 7 comma 8 comma 9. C option is 1 comma 3 comma 5 2 comma 4 comma 8 and 6 comma 7 comma 9, and the D option is 1 comma 4 comma 7 2 comma 5 comma 8 3 comma 6 comma 9. This has been asking, as I told you, has been asking your assistant grade question paper, and that is being also important here. So for the same we have here as your 1 comma 5 comma 6 contains similar figures, that is placed one inside the other. The second is 2 comma 3 comma 4 that contains straight lines, each dividing the figure into two parts, equal parts. 7 comma 8 comma 9 that contain one figure enclosed by another different figure. So that will be the right answer for this particular question here. We'll go ahead with another one that we have to talk about it, which is the another questions as well, and that has been representing, as you can see here, the 12th question 11th question we have here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Let's go ahead for the same. For the same we have here this has been asked in your income tax and central exercise examination paper, and that has been also an important one here for the same. That is here all options is 1 comma 5 comma 9 3 comma 6 comma 7 2 comma 4 comma 8 2 comma 3 comma 6 to 4 comma 8 comma 9 1 comma 5 comma 7 3 comma 6 comma 8 2 comma 4 comma 9 1 comma 5 comma 7 2 comma 5 comma 8 1 comma 7 comma 9 3 comma 4 comma 6 here. That what we have to talk about it. So for the same we have to answer it out here, which is that has been 1 comma 5 comma 9 that consists of cup shaped figures, and 3 comma 6 comma 7 contains the straight lines dividing the figures into the four parts, and 2 comma 4 comma 8 that are simple geometrical figures here. I will go ahead with it. Our 12th question that we have is been representing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This has been asking your assistant grade question paper here. That has also been important. The options we have 3 comma 4 comma 9 5 comma 7 comma 8 1 comma 2 comma 6. B option is 1 comma 5 comma 6 2 comma 4 comma 8 3 comma 7 comma 9. C option is 4 comma 6 comma 8 3 comma 5 comma 7 1 comma 2 comma 9. D option is 1 comma 2 and 7 comma 3 1 comma 2 comma 7 and 3 comma 7 comma 9 4 comma 6 comma 8. This has been, as I told you, has been asked in assistant grade question paper here. The answer for the same is your here is 1 comma 2 comma 7 that are single figures. Then we have your 3 comma 5 comma 9. They contain two dissimilar figures, one inside the other. And the third is 4 comma 6 comma 8 that contain two different figures touching each other. That is, we have an answer. We'll go ahead with another one which we'll talk about it. That has been the 13th question of the session, named as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. This has been asked in assistant grade and income tax central exercise examination paper. Options we have 1 comma 7 comma 9 2 comma 3 comma 6 4 comma 5 comma 8. B option is 1 comma 2 comma 9 3 comma 4 comma 6 5 comma 7 comma 8. C option is 1 comma 6 comma 8 and 2 comma 4 comma 7 to 3 comma 5 comma 9, and the D option is 1 comma 7 comma 8 2 comma 9 comma 3 6 comma 4 comma 5 here. In the same cases we go ahead for the solution for the same, and that is 1 comma 7 comma 9 that contained two similar figures, one inside the other but not touching each other. The another we have 2 comma 3 comma 6 that contain two similar figures, one inside the other, both touching each other. And this another we have 4 comma 5 comma 8 that are dividing into equal parts by straight lines emerging from the center here. We'll go ahead with another question, that is your 14th question here, that is been representing 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This has been asked in assistant grade question paper. That is also an important paper respect towards competition wise. The options for this is 1, 3, 6, 4, 5, 8, 2, 7, 9. B option is 2, 3, 9, 4, 5, 8, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 8, 3, 7, 9, 2, 4, 5. D option is 3, 8, 9, 1, 2, 7, and 4, 5, 8, 6 here. This has been asked in assistant grade question paper here. The solution for the same we will go ahead. That is 1, 6, 8, that consisting of 3 lines both straight and curved. Another is 3, 7, 9, that consisting of the figures shaded by the oblique lines. And the another is 2, 4, 5. This is consist of straight lines only. This is we have as an answer. We'll go ahead with another one that has been 15th question here for the sessions. That has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 here. This has been asked in UDC examination paper. That is also been important. The options we have 2, 4, 7, 1, 8, 9, and 3, 5, 6. B option is 2, 6, 9, 1, 5, 7, 3, 4, 8. C option is 2, 6, 7, 1, 5, 8, 3, 4, 9. D option is 2, 8, 7, 1, 5, 9, 3, 4, 6 here. That what we have to talk about it, and this has been asked in your UDC examination paper as well. On the same cases here, that is we have is 2, 6, 9 that contain the triangle each enclosing another figure and 3 medians as well. 1, 5, 7 that is contain the rectangles each enclosing one another and 2 diagonals. 3, 4, 8 that contains circles each enclosing another figure and 2 diameters as well. That we have as an answer. Now we'll go ahead with another one, that is your 16th question of the session, being representing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This has been asked in your central exercise examination paper. Options is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 5, 9, 3, 6, 2, 4, 7, 8, 1, 9, 7, and 2, 8, 5, 3, 4, 6 here. As I told you, this has been asked in central exercise examination paper. So the pairing for that we have here is that to be as follows. I representing here only 1, 2, 3 consisting of 2 straight lines. 4, 5, 6 consists of 3 straight lines. 7, 8, 9 figures formed for the 4 straight lines here. Now we'll go ahead with another questions here for the same, and that has been representing. This is for this answer, and the another we have is the last question here. This has been representing the 17th questions here that has been representing. So being first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9 as well. This has been asked in assistant grade question paper. That has been also an important one here. The options for the same is 0, 1, 2, 5, 3, 7, 8, 4, 6, 9. B option is 1, 7, 2, 3, 9, 6, 4, 5, 8. C option is 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 9, 1, 5, 7. The D option is 5, 6, 9, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 7, 8 here. This has been asked in assistant grade question paper. Here for that we have is your 1, 2, 5 that consisting of the similar figure pattern enclosed inside the figure matrix. Another we have 3, 7, 8 that containing the similar pattern different from that is 1, 2, 5 that enclosed inside the figures. Another is 4, 6, 9 that are figures enclosing a triangle with one drawn medium here. So here we'll be ending it up, and it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than reasoning we talk about it, we had completed your sociology and software engineering lastly, and other than that we are dealing with the chemistry of class 12, that is NCERT. We have part 1 we had discussed about class 12, and that has been we had completed unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8 as well. We'll have to start with discussing about unit 9 here. And the same case for the coming towards the quantitative aptitude that we are dealing with, which is we have been divided into two sections, which is arithmetical ability and the data interpretation. In arithmetical ability we had done operations of numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, and your problems on numbers and problems on ages. We had completed that, and we surely have to start discussing about surds and indices as well. Other than that, we talk about it. So yes, in reasoning we had been done, that is in general mental ability, which we have to cover up. In general mental ability, we had to cover up analogy, classification, series completions, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking, time sequence test, mathematical operation, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reason, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement as well. In logic reasoning, we have to cover up logic, statement argument, statement assumption, statement codes of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detection, question statement, miscellaneous logical puzzle. In non-verbal reasoning, we have to cover up series, analogy, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, and rule detection we had end up with. And now we'll discuss about grouping of identical figures we had end up here only in this class only. Next we'll start discussing about cube and dice, then dot situation, constructions of squares and triangles, linear foundation analysis, and then practice question set, where we have to deal with the different types of questions here. So here we'll be ending it up, and it's a huge request on my side to all the viewers to please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Thank you.